Here with Ben, and today we'll be unboxing this i500 mechanical gaming keyboard from this Eastern Times Tech thing. So, right, let's undo this tab thing and undo the cardboard box with no designs on it. So as you can see here, we've got the support things made of foam. Don't need these anymore. So then you got your keyboard and you got your key tester. This keyboard actually has Cherry MX blue keys, which you can see if you take off a random key. Yeah, you got your Cherry MX blue, and that's what the key looks like. So, right, so we've unboxed it, and let's plug it in. See what different LED types it can do. It's on. Okay, so that's the first one, and to change the brightness you go up like that and down like that.
FN.
Yeah, with the FN keys. This is to make it faster, this is to make it slower, and you kind of change the stuff with this, that does that does constant, kind of what you've recently typed, constant, fading, random presets as you could kind of scroll through. Yeah, so that's pretty much what this keyboard can do. It's got it has this really loud noise. You can hear it's pretty loud. It gets pretty annoying after a while.
Yeah, it's very responsive.
Yeah, so yeah, thanks for joining us in this video, and we will see you next time.